Welcome to our next video. In this video, we will learn formulae. So as usual, without wasting our time, let us start formulae. A formula is an equation which shows the relationship between two or more quantities. Example, speed equal to distance by time, that is S equal to d by t. S means speed, d means distance, t means time. So on this chapter we will start doing problems, different types of numerical problems, problem sums we will do. Let us start. Our first question is, the reciprocal of the focal length f is equal to the sum of the reciprocals of the object distance u and image distance v. So we all know what is reciprocal mean. Reciprocal means 1 by, that means the focal length of reciprocal of the focal length of f. The reciprocal of the focal length f equal to 1 by f. The reciprocal of the object distance equal to object distance u equal to 1 by u, and the reciprocal of the image distance v equal to 1 by v. So what to find out? We have to make a formula with these terms. So the reciprocal of the focal length f is equal to the sum means plus. So by the problem BTP, by the problem, the reciprocal of the focal length f, that means 1 by f equal to the sum means addition, sum of what? The reciprocal of the object distance and the reciprocal of the image distance, u 1 by u plus 1 by v. So this is the formula. So you can write here the required formula. Which is the required formula? You can take a screenshot. Our next question is the number of diagonals d that can be drawn from one vertex of an n-sided polygon to all the other vertices is equal to the number of sides less 3. Actually in this question we need not to know what is polygon, what do you mean by diagonals and all this, but for some information, for your knowledge, for your help, I am saying polygon means a plane region bounded by many sides, isn't it? This is called a polygon. And diagonal means if we add one vertex to another vertex, then these lines will be called diagonals. But here we need not to know this, because we need to find the formula only, isn't it? So what will be the answer? The answer is simple. The number of diagonals is d. So d equal to how much? Number of side is n less 3. That means less means minus 3. This is the formula. Write down which is the required formula. Take a screenshot. Now next question is question number 3. Next question is the distance s meters which a falling body covers in time t seconds is 4.8 times the square of the time t. So the distance is s. Write down, given distance equal to s meter, time equal to t seconds, and nothing is there. So by the problem s equal to, that means distance equal to square of the time. Square of the time means t square. This is small t. T square, square of the time t, then multiplied by 4.8. So this is the required equation. Distance covered is equal to 4.8 times of the square of the time. Which is the required formula. Take a screenshot. Now we will do this type of sums. Here you need to find out the indicated letter. Okay, for question number 1, f equal to 9 by 5 c plus 32. From this equation, or you may say from this formula, you need to find out, you have to find out c. So solution 1. Solution 1, f equal to 9 by 5 c plus 32. We need to find out c. So we have to separate this c first. How? Look, here plus 32 is here. So I am taking this plus 32 to the left hand side. So plus will become minus. F equal minus 32 equal to 9 by 5 c, isn't it? Then 9 is over here. So when this fraction will go toward left side or change the side, then the numerator will become denominator and the denominator will become numerator. So it will get reversed. 9 over here and 5 will be placed over here. This is c. Now you write down, you write c to the left hand side and this part to the right hand side. And this is the answer. This is the required answer. Take a screenshot. Solution 2, I equal to NE by capital R plus small n r. We need to find out n, small n. So look, here is n and here is also n. So what to do first? First you have to shift this denominator over left hand side. So I equal to I into r plus nr. It is called actually cross multiplication. Implies I into r, ir plus, here is plus, plus I into nr, I n r equal to ne. Now look, these two terms contain n. So we have to take these two terms together. So IR equal to NE minus INR. I am taking this part to the left hand side. So plus becomes minus, implies I am writing over here, implies IR equal to, take n as common, E minus capital E minus capital I, then R. Okay. Now IR divided by, this part will be placed over here, equal to n. So we got n. This is the required answer. Take a screenshot. Now our next question, m equal to 4a by root over under root a by b plus c. So we need to find out b. So how to do? M by 4, 4 is getting down under n, under m, equal to divide root over under root a by b plus c, implies. Okay. Now we need to remove this root over sign, isn't it? So how? If you square any root, then the square root will be removed, isn't it? So we will do what? We will square the both sides. Right here, squaring both sides. Okay. Now I am coming over here, implies m square by 16, 4 square means 16, m square by 4, m square by 4 means 16, then this root over will be removed. So it becomes b plus c. Okay. For this square sign, root over gone, right? So here we need to find out b. So m square into b plus c by 16 equal to a. Cross multiplication. You do one thing, 16a. This is cross multiplication. M square into b plus c equal to 16a. Okay, implies m square b plus m square c, m square into b plus m square into c equal to 16a, implies m square b equal to 16a minus m square c. Why I did this? I shifted this m square c towards right hand side. Why? Because we need to find out b, that's why we are separating this part. Implies b equal to 16a by m minus m square c by m square. This is the required answer. Take a screenshot. Now our next question is v equal to pi, it is called pi into r square minus r square, capital R square minus small r square into h. We need to find out small r. So first shift this h towards left and pi also. So v equal to pi, v by pi h equal to r square, capital R square minus small r square, implies v by pi h, then okay, you do one thing, you take this r square to the left hand side and this part to the right hand side, because this is negative number. So if it comes this side, then it will be plus. So r square equal to capital R square minus v by pi h, implies r equal to root over capital R square minus v by pi h. Now our next question is s equal to n by 2 into 2a plus n minus 1d, find a. From this equation or from this formula, we have to find out the value of a when S equal to 185, N equal to 10 and D equal to 3. The values of S, N and D are given, only we have to find out the value of A. S equal to solution N by 2, 2A plus N minus 1D implies S equal to 2 into S by N equal to 2A plus N minus 1D. What I did over here? I did cross multiplication. N comes down and 2 goes up, equal to 2A plus N minus 1D implies 2S by N minus this part N minus 1D equal to 2A. I shifted this part towards left because we need to find out A, implies 2S by N minus N minus 1D whole divided by 2 equal to A. So we got A. Now we will put the values of S, N and D, then we will definitely find out A. You will get the result A. Now A equal to 2S by N minus N minus 1D whole divided by 2 implies A equal to, the value of S is 185 divided by N, N means 10, here also N means 10, D divided by 2. So 185 into 2 how much? 370. 370 by 10 minus 9. Oh, another, we have to write the value of D also. D is 3. So here is 3 whole divided by 2. Equal to 37 minus 27 divided by 2. It comes 10 by 2, that means 5. This is the answer. Take a screenshot. If you like my videos, please subscribe our channel and share it.